What's up, my Forex family? I'm Janice from Barbados. My business was closed down because of COVID, so I decided to learn Forex in order to have another source of income. I kept trying on my demos, but I found out that whilst trying, I kept losing money, and I knew that I was doing something wrong. So I started surfing the net, looking for someone who can teach me how to learn Forex. When I stumbled upon Forex Beginners Students Academy, and guess what? It was free. This is the best thing that has ever happened to me for the year. I met Syed, who has been very patient with me because I never knew anything at all about trading, anything about Forex. I had a few challenges when I started, like my first challenge was in market structure. I just couldn't understand the higher highs and the higher lows and the lower lows and the lower highs. I kept making errors with that. Then Syed worked with me and helped me to accomplish understanding everything about market structure. When I got over that, then I had another obstacle, break of structure. I couldn't understand break of structure either. But Syed again worked with me and helped me to get over that. He kept saying, try this again, try it again. And he kept asking me questions. That is what I loved about him and working with his students. He was very patient, especially when I felt like giving up. I was like, this thing is too difficult. I can't understand it. But he kept guiding me and he kept coaxing me on. I have learned so much in such a short space of time. I started learning with Syed from around May 12th, and it's now the beginning of July. I have learned about support and resistance. I've learned about trend lines. I've learned about break of structure, market structure. I've learned about fibs. I've learned about EMAs. And so far, my best part is time frame correlation. My goal is to become the entry queen, and I'm working towards that. I want to say thank you very much, Syed. Thank you so much for helping me, because I didn't know where another source of my income would be coming from since my businesses were closed. And I stumbled upon you. I think that this is a gift from God. I was supposed to meet up on this class. And Syed, you've been so great to all of us. And I'm hoping that this continue for other persons like me to help people throughout the world who need another source of income to survive. Thank you, thank you, thank you.